We have ice ages, we have supervolcanoes. Right in the heart of America, we have the Yellowstone volcano, supervolcano, that if it erupted, would rip the guts out of the United States of America. We should leave the Earth and go to Mars. But a settlement on Mars is a definite possibility.
Oumuamua may be a fully operational probe sent intentionally to Earth vicinity by an alien civilization.
In just 20 days, America could face many events that might change the country forever. Michio Kaku, the world-renowned physicist, has just warned that something dark is looming on the horizon.
Michio Kaku is joining me live. He is a professor of theoretical physics at City College of New York, also the co-founder of string field theory and a science correspondent for CBS.
A potential crisis that could shake the nation. From global disasters to technological upheavals, the dangers ahead may change everything we know. However, are we standing on the edge of collapse, or can we still pull back before it's too late? Could this be the moment that changes everything for America? Join us as we explore Kaku's urgent warning and what it could mean for the future. Kaku's warnings. Kaku has always been known for his bold predictions about the future.
Philosophers and poets have asked the question, will the world end in fire or ice? We can now give an answer. The universe, we think, will die in ice.
He discusses not just scientific advancements, but also the societal changes that come with them. His insights help us grasp the complex world we live in and the potential threats that lie ahead. In his latest statements, Kaku paints a chilling picture, suggesting that we might witness events that could shake America to its foundation in the coming weeks. This is not just about the usual news cycles. It's about profound changes that could reshape our lives. Imagine waking up to headlines reporting sudden economic downturns or natural disasters that disrupt our daily lives. Kaku hints at these scenarios, urging us to be vigilant and aware. So what is coming that Kaku is seriously warning us about? But before we get into the reveal, let's know a little about this renowned physicist to understand where he comes from with this warning. Michio Kaku is a well-known physicist, futurist, and popular science communicator. Born on January 24, 1947 in San Jose, California, Kaku developed a passion for science early on. He is one of the co-founders of string field theory, a branch of theoretical physics.
String theory says there should be other bubbles out there. In a multiverse of bubbles, when two universes collide, it can form another universe. When a universe splits in half, it can create two universes, and that, we think, is the Big Bang.
He earned his PhD from the University of California, Berkeley, and has spent most of his career teaching at City College of New York. Kaku is not just a brilliant physicist, but also a remarkable author and speaker, making complex scientific ideas accessible to everyone. Over the years, Michio Kaku has made several predictions about the future of technology, society, and even the fate of humanity. His views are often shaped by his understanding of physics and the trends he observes in the world. One of Kaku's most pressing concerns is the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence. He believes AI will change how we live and work, but he also warns of the potential dangers. Kaku has said that AI becoming too advanced without proper regulations could pose severe threats to humanity. He describes a future where AI could surpass human intelligence.
What's the problem with AI? What worries you the most?
So companies could be making a killing on robots, but there's a downside.
Leading to machines making decisions without human oversight. In his book, The Future of Humanity, Kaku emphasizes the importance of developing ethical guidelines for AI. He argues that while AI can bring significant benefits, it also requires caution. We must ensure that we guide AI development in a way that benefits society. His message is clear. We must prepare for a future where machines play a more significant role. But that's not all, because Kaku has also been vocal about climate change. He warns that the consequences could be devastating if we do not take significant steps to combat global warming. He predicts that rising sea levels, extreme weather, and natural disasters will become more frequent if we continue down our current path. Kaku believes scientists and policymakers must work together to find solutions before it's too late. What's more, You already know that Kaku is a futurist, but you may not know that he is excited about space exploration. He believes that humanity's future lies beyond Earth. Kaku often speaks about the potential for colonizing other planets, particularly Mars.
Mars was practically probably a lush environment with liquid water oceans, evidence that possibly microbial life existed on Mars.
He envisions a future where humans live on Mars and even beyond. However, he also warns of our challenges in achieving this goal. He has mentioned the dangers of radiation exposure, the need for sustainable life support systems, and the psychological effects of long-duration space travel. He argues that to become a multi-planetary species, we must invest in technology and research to overcome these hurdles. His enthusiasm for space exploration is balanced by a realistic understanding of the obstacles we must navigate. Now, talking about his love for space exploration, you may wonder if his recent warning could relate to space. But you may be right, because his latest warning, which has garnered attention, is about a significant change that may occur in the next 20 days, which could have dire implications for America and the world. But what is this warning about? This is the moment you've been waiting for. Kaku's recent warning. But what if I tell you that Kaku's recent warning centers around Oumuamua?
Back in 2017, these scientists using so-called pan-STARRS, which was a fast-response telescope used to detect certain objects like comets and asteroids, detected this unusual object known today as Oumuamua,
hinting that it could hold critical insights into humanity's future. So let's delve into what Kaku is warning about Oumuamua. But first, what is this object? And what if it warns about what lies beyond our planet? In October 2017, a strange object zipped through our solar system, and its name was Oumuamua. This name means scout or messenger in Hawaiian, and it lived up to its title. Oumuamua was not like anything we had seen before. It was the first object discovered that came from another star system, making it a cosmic celebrity. When Oumuamua appeared, scientists were buzzing with excitement. They first spotted it using the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope in Hawaii. It was moving fast, at a speed of about 196,000 miles per hour. This speed was unusual for a typical comet or asteroid that travels within our solar system. Oumuamua's rapid movement hinted that it was from a faraway place, not just drifting around our sun. At first, astronomers thought Oumuamua was a comet or an asteroid. Comets usually have tails made of gas and dust, but Oumuamua didn't have one. This puzzled scientists. They were left scratching their heads, wondering what kind of object they were dealing with. Some described it as a rocky asteroid, while others believed it could be more exotic. The shape of Oumuamua was also fascinating. It looked long and thin, resembling a giant cigar or a pancake. Its unusual shape led to more questions. How could a natural object form this way? What could have caused it to have such a strange appearance? So, as researchers studied Oumuamua more closely, they noticed something shocking. It was accelerating away from the sun. Usually, objects in space slow down as they move away from the sun. But Oumuamua was speeding up, and it had no visible tail to explain this strange behavior. This discovery sparked excitement and theories among scientists. So a famous astrophysicist, Avi Loeb, from Harvard University, proposed a mind-boggling idea. He suggested that Oumuamua might be a piece of alien technology.
Oumuamua, which is an object that we detected in space that you believe could possibly have been extraterrestrial in origin, meaning from some sort of a civilization.
Right. Possibly a spacecraft sent by an advanced civilization. But could it be true? The thought of an extraterrestrial object visiting our solar system was thrilling and terrifying. Scientists like Loeb and others considered different possibilities for what Oumuamua might be. One theory suggested it could be a giant block of frozen hydrogen, similar to an iceberg. This could explain why it didn't have a visible tail like a comet. However, some researchers argued that hydrogen ice wouldn't last long enough to travel through space for millions of years. It would have evaporated long before reaching our solar system. Undoubtedly, the idea of Oumuamua being an alien spacecraft gained traction. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence even turned their telescopes toward Oumuamua, hoping to detect any signals. They wondered if this object was not just a rock, but a message from intelligent life. However, the possibility was captivating. Loeb imagined that if Oumuamua was indeed an alien craft, it could be using a technology we cannot yet understand. He compared it to a solar sail, where sunlight pushes the object forward like wind pushes a sailboat. This theory sparked imaginations everywhere and reignited debates about the existence of life beyond Earth. So, as the mystery deepened, scientists discovered that Oumuamua might not be the only curious object linked to this phenomenon. In 2021, some researchers explored fragments they believed might have come from a similar object. They found tiny spheres made of different materials. These findings fueled the excitement about Oumuamua even further. Scientists wondered if these pieces held secrets about their origin and the nature of space travel. So, in 2021, new theories emerged, suggesting that Oumuamua could actually be a chunk of nitrogen ice, similar to what we see on Pluto. This theory gained attention because it explained its shape and behavior. Scientists proposed that Oumuamua had originated from a distant exoplanet.
Exoplanets are worlds that exist outside of our solar system. Also known as extrasolar planets, these bodies often orbit their own stars,
Possibly kicked out of its home system by a passing star. As Oumuamua traveled through space, it may have lost some of its nitrogen due to the sun's heat, creating an invisible tail that pushed it away from our star. This idea explained the acceleration without needing to resort to extraterrestrial explanations. But now, as we stand at the edge of a new era in space exploration, the mysterious interstellar object Oumuamua has ignited a firestorm of speculation about what such celestial visitors could mean for humanity. Michio Kaku, a renowned physicist and futurist, has just warned us about the potential consequences of objects like Oumuamua returning to our solar system, or the arrival of similar bodies. So what did he say? Kaku warns that the arrival of interstellar objects could pose significant risks to our civilization. He says, "Imagine if a massive object were to enter our solar system, not as a harmless visitor, but as a potential threat. An asteroid or comet could have devastating consequences if it collided with Earth. In the past, significant impacts have caused mass extinctions, such as the event that wiped out the dinosaurs. While Oumuamua was not a threat, its unexpected speed and trajectory suggest that many more objects could lurk in the dark space void. We have limited ways to detect these objects until they are very close to Earth." Kaku emphasizes the need for better tracking systems to monitor our skies. Even though on the flip side, the arrival of Oumuamua and similar objects could lead to groundbreaking scientific discoveries. If another object enters our solar system, scientists will be better prepared to study it. The information we could gather might expand our understanding of the universe, from the formation of celestial bodies to the potential for life beyond Earth. But Kaku believes these cosmic visitors might carry vital clues about our solar system's origins and other civilizations' existence. By studying their composition and behavior, we could learn more about the building blocks of life and the conditions necessary for its emergence. This knowledge could revolutionize our understanding of life beyond our planet and challenge our assumptions about humanity's uniqueness. But that's not all. The arrival of interstellar objects could also profoundly affect our culture and society. Kaku suggests that such events might unite people in ways we have never seen before. Think of the collective awe and wonder that could arise from observing a cosmic visitor streaking through our skies. It could inspire generations to look up at the stars and contemplate their place in the universe. The thought of extraterrestrial life, even if just speculated through the existence of Oumuamua.
Researchers believe they have discovered fragments of alien technology. The pieces were from a meteor that landed in the ocean.
Could spark philosophical and scientific debates worldwide. People might come together to explore questions about life, existence, and our future among the stars. This collective curiosity could lead to increased funding and interest in space exploration. So Kaku urges us not to be complacent about our position in the universe. We need to continue to observe and explore the skies above us. The arrival of Oumuamua should serve as a lesson in humility. It should remind us that we are part of a vast cosmos filled with unknowns. We must be prepared for the unexpected, whether an opportunity for discovery or a potential threat to our way of life. In his discussions, Kaku emphasizes investing in space technology and research. He says we need to develop better detection methods and create international collaborations to track and study interstellar objects because the implications of these cosmic visitors are too significant to ignore. However, the Oumuamua is not the only strange phenomenon that Kaku mentions in his warning. Let's continue. Discovery of another interstellar object. In 2019, scientists made a thrilling discovery, another interstellar object called 2I/Borisov. This rogue comet arrived from outside our solar system, just like Oumuamua did in 2017. The finding shocked many in the scientific community and sparked fresh conversations about the nature of our universe. Michio Kaku, the prominent physicist, has also warned that the implications of such discoveries could be monumental for our understanding of the cosmos and our place in it. But what is 2I/Borisov? 2I/Borisov is believed to be the second known interstellar object to visit our solar system. Unlike Oumuamua, which had a strange shape and behavior, 2I/Borisov looked more like a typical comet. It had a tail and a nucleus, suggesting it was made of ice and dust. This comet was discovered by an amateur astronomer named Gennady Borisov, who spotted it in Crimea. It moved swiftly through our solar system, coming from the direction of the constellation Cassiopeia. The discovery of 2I/Borisov raised an essential question: how common are these interstellar visitors? Kaku emphasizes that these findings suggest that our solar system may be a frequent stopover for rogue comets and other objects from distant star systems. This challenges our previous beliefs that such occurrences were rare and exceptional. You may not know, but the arrival of 2I/Borisov gave scientists a unique opportunity to study the building blocks of other solar systems. It provided insights into the materials that could exist in places far beyond our own. Analyzing its composition helps researchers understand how comets and other celestial bodies form. Kaku highlights that this knowledge could lead to new theories about the creation of our solar system and the potential for life on other planets. Studying objects like 2I/Borisov can also help scientists understand how frequently interstellar objects visit our solar system. Some researchers believe there could be many more such visitors yet to be discovered, and tracking them could provide a wealth of information about the cosmos. The implications of this for understanding life beyond Earth are immense. However, while the discovery of 2I/Borisov is exciting, Michio Kaku warns us to remain cautious. The more we learn about interstellar objects, the more we understand that they can also pose dangers. Just as Oumuamua's strange trajectory and behavior raised eyebrows, so too do the characteristics of other rogue comets. They can carry unknown materials, and if large enough, could even threaten Earth. Kaku stresses the importance of being vigilant. As we continue to observe and analyze interstellar objects, we must invest in better detection systems to monitor the skies. The arrival of 2I/Borisov may not be a one-time event. Instead, it could indicate a trend of increasing encounters with interstellar objects. If this is the case, the risk of potential collisions may grow. Undoubtedly, the discovery of 2I/Borisov reinforces the idea that the universe is full of surprises.
The comet known as Oumuamua, Hawaiian for visitor from afar, sailed through our solar system in 2017 and right away made news.
The cosmos is not just a vast empty space filled with dynamic and often unpredictable phenomena. As Kaku notes, our understanding of the universe must evolve as we encounter these cosmic visitors. Each new object we discover adds another piece to the puzzle of our existence. The implications extend beyond scientific curiosity. As we learn about these interstellar travelers, we might face philosophical questions about our place in the universe. Kaku believes these questions challenge our understanding of humanity and our role in the cosmic world. The future of interstellar object research, with Kaku's warning. As we look to the future, scientists are eager to learn more about interstellar objects. The excitement surrounding the discovery of Oumuamua and 2I/Borisov has sparked discussions about the need for dedicated missions to study these celestial phenomena. However, the unpredictable nature of these objects presents significant challenges. Michio Kaku emphasizes advancing our research to ensure we are prepared for what lies ahead. The scientific community and the world await the next interstellar object to enter our solar system. Each new visitor could offer unique insights into the cosmos and our existence. Kaku notes that the chances of discovering additional interstellar objects will increase as we improve our observation techniques. This could lead to more data about their composition, trajectories, and origins. While the excitement is palpable, Kaku also cautions that we must carefully approach these discoveries. Understanding the paths of these objects is critical, especially since their trajectories can be difficult to predict. The nature of these visitors means that they often appear without warning. Therefore, we must remain vigilant and prepared to respond. So, in light of these discoveries, researchers have proposed missions to study interstellar objects more closely. One ambitious idea is to send a spacecraft to intercept and analyze Oumuamua if it were to return.
A pair of Harvard scientists say a massive, fast-moving visitor to our solar system may have been a probe sent by an advanced alien civilization.
However, tracking it down again may prove impossible, given its unpredictable path. Despite this, Kaku believes that the concept of interstellar missions is vital. Future spacecraft could be designed to study new interstellar visitors, gathering data on their composition and behavior. This kind of research could enhance our understanding of the materials present in other star systems and shed light on the formation of celestial bodies. So, while we may be unable to revisit Oumuamua, scientists are still analyzing the data gathered during its brief visit. This analysis is crucial for understanding the characteristics of interstellar objects. Researchers are using advanced technology to study the light reflected from Oumuamua, which may reveal more about its composition and surface features. Kaku highlights the importance of this analysis, suggesting that every bit of information gleaned from past visitors can contribute to our understanding of the cosmos. By piecing together data from different sources, we can build a clearer picture of the universe and the objects that inhabit it. As scientists continue to explore interstellar objects, they will undoubtedly uncover more mysteries. The quest for knowledge in this area is not just about satisfying our curiosity. It is about understanding our universe and ensuring the safety of our planet. Kaku believes that expanding our research efforts is essential for grasping the potential risks and rewards associated with these cosmic travelers. This journey is a collaborative effort involving scientists, astronomers, and space agencies worldwide. By sharing information and resources, researchers can enhance their chances of discovering and studying more interstellar objects. Kaku urges the global community to invest in space research, as the implications of these discoveries can have far-reaching consequences for humanity. Undoubtedly, you would agree that every encounter with interstellar objects tells a story. Oumuamua and 2I/Borisov are just the beginning. The universe is vast, and the narrative is still unfolding. We will undoubtedly encounter more mysterious visitors as we develop new technologies to explore our solar system and beyond. Each discovery will add a new chapter to our understanding of the cosmos. However, the arrival of Oumuamua and 2I/Borisov should serve as a wake-up call because these cosmic travelers remind us that we are part of a much larger universe, one filled with mysteries waiting to be uncovered.
This new Hubble image shows comet 2I/Borisov as it comes into the solar system and is starting to heat up and emit gases. There's a long tail on the comet as the gases are emitted off. We are particularly excited about comet Borisov because we caught it on the way in and we can observe.
We must invest in our scientific capabilities to track and study these objects. The more we know, the better prepared we will be for whatever the cosmos throws. Imagine a world where we ignore these signs. If we overlook the potential threats posed by interstellar objects, we risk being caught off guard. Kaku warns that ignorance is not bliss when it comes to space. Each new discovery highlights our vulnerability in the grand scheme of the universe. We must confront the uncomfortable reality that we are not alone in the cosmos, and not all visitors come in peace. The implications are profound. We could be jeopardizing our survival by underestimating the significance of these encounters. Kaku's emphasis on vigilance is crucial. We must remain aware of what lurks beyond our atmosphere, as every interstellar object presents both a risk and an opportunity. The message is clear: knowledge is power, and ignorance can lead to disaster. But what if I tell you there is hope beyond the threats? Studying interstellar objects can lead to significant discoveries about our origins. Kaku encourages us to see these cosmic visitors as potential links to our past. By examining their composition and behavior, we might uncover secrets about the formation of our solar system. This search for connection extends to the possibility of life beyond Earth. Every interstellar object could be carrying clues about the existence of life elsewhere in the universe. Finding evidence of organic materials or signs of past life in these celestial travelers could transform our understanding of life's potential across the cosmos. The thought of reaching out to another civilization is both thrilling and daunting. But in the end, the story of Oumuamua and interstellar objects is far from over. The arrival of interstellar objects like Oumuamua could change the course of human history. It is up to us to seize the moment, explore, learn, and be prepared for whatever the universe throws our way. We've come to the end of this video. What do you think is the looming danger that Kaku foresees? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Also, click on the following video showing on your screen. You will enjoy it.